Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome back to another playthrough. And today we're playing Squirrel Stapler. Yes, we're playing this game. I heard lots of great things about this game. Well, mostly, a lot of things. So many things about this game. I really want to try it out because it's like a really interesting horror game. So I want to play for myself to see it. So let's do it. I'm kind of going through this. I already kind of know what's going on. I know more of the stuff. So if you might be wondering, my reactions aren't as out of this world or anything, because I kind of already know what's gonna happen. But I kind of want to play it. See the hype. So let's do it. All right. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but let's just play the game. All right. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna go. I don't know if this is gonna be scary or not, but we'll see. Without further ado, let's hunt some squirrels. Oh, this looks... We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom. Okay. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish you were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. Also, and so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Okay. Is that my wife? my wife? Okay, okay, probably should check for controls, I guess. Maybe I should check the controls of it before playing, but I guess not. It's a nice stick. It's weird, this game was kind of pixelated. I mean, not in like a, it's weirdly green pixelated. Maybe I should change the settings a little bit, because this looks a little... Ooh, what's this? Book of the Grove, Chapter 4? Verse I don't know if that's a 4 or something. I don't know. Roman numerals, I don't know much. I'm pretty bad at them. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Yeah, well, tough luck, dude. I'm on a mission. It's for my wife. My wife. Nice food. Nice plates. Nice dark plates you have. Can I get on here? No. Nice dark plates you got here, guys. Real nice. In 5 days, God is coming. Wait, what do you mean God is coming? What do you mean? What the heck did that? Whoa. It's time to hunt the squirrels. That's a freaking loud gunshot. Oh, I can... Okay. Tip of the day. 1. Use the map, default tab, to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Oh, okay. Reminds me of, so that's the map. Reminds me of a lot of Minecraft. Remember the maps in Minecraft? That's what it reminds me of. Got a squirrel. That's cool. Jesus. Oh, I have to reload. Okay. I have ammo. I have limited ammo. Poison grass. Do not eat. Okay, well, that's nice to know. Nice woods. Yeah, people are wondering, hey, we play, did you went hunting today? And I say, I sure did. I went squirrel stapling hunting. Let's see here. Oh, okay. I have to be actually on the note. Okay. Nutty. Oh my god. Come on, me play. Come on, play. You literally... You're old enough, okay? You're literally old enough to not laugh at this stuff, but you still do anyway. Alright, Nutty Nate's Squirrels Hunting Tips. Bro, you could have picked a better name than that. You can run default shift while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low, default control to hide in the void, and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Use your ears. You can usually hear squirrels chattering and moving before you can see them. Your rifle is equipped with a scope. Use it to bang vermins at long range. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to make some room here a little bit. Okay. So, I have a run button. Okay. Okay, interesting. Control. Oh, okay. Okay. It's weird playing this with a keyboard. I get it. Okay. Yeah, there's volume. So that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. I can't move. I have the map up. Okay. So I guess that yellow pony is me, right? Today we view the natural habitat of squirrels in their natural habitat. Nice. Nice. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the wood. I'm stuck. Good. Okay. Oh, ammo. Ammo. I need some ammo. Interesting wilderness we have. All these trees. I love the atmosphere. I mean, despite the disturbing beginning, seems like a normal shooting game where you shoot squirrels. Okay, how the heck did he notice me? Got him. Got him, dude. Got him. You don't mind. Alright, okay. Get a little handle on this. A little bit. Might want to refill just in case. Whoa. There's some weird trees. Whoa. Whoops. Oh. Why am I here? Weird. I didn't know you could do that. That's the first time I've ever actually seen that. I don't know where. I want to kind of like explore a little bit, actually. I want to see the world, see the lights, you know? They call me McShoot'ems for nothing. I don't know what kind of commentary I could talk about. I mean, it's a game where you shoot squirrels. That's neat. Oh, got him! Got him! Got him! Yeah, got you a little crap. Yeah, good. Alright, good. We only have one more. Is that a dog barking? I don't know if that's a dog barking. It sounds like a dog barking. But this is pretty neat. Okay, so the house is like... Okay, that's our house. It's the home right there. Interesting. What's that over there? There's a trail over there. I swear I thought there was something up there. Ooh. Interesting wilderness. Nothing too much to see. Oh. Okay. Okay, I guess that's enough. Scrap. Scrap this. There are not enough squirrels for today. What? I should head back home. Okay. I was wondering. What? 3 energy drink, double speed. What's this? Squirrel fact: squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. All right, well, I guess I'll head back and see what happens next. See you there, I guess. Okay. Back in. Attached squirrel. Interesting. Guess let's catch some C's. Oh, thanks for telling me that, game. Day 2. So apparently, there's larger squirrel that we gotta hunt for. Oh, that's a big squirrel. So I guess we have to hunt for those too. Not bad though. Yeah, only one. No problem. It's really easy. Just, well, bigger too, so they're much easier to target, so yeah, no problem there. That is an interesting skyscraper. The Lady Part 2. The artist was inconsiderable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks, he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your desperation. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said, a treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed, and the spell was cast. Only then he remembered that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Guess I missed the first one. Guess that means there's more content. Well, there are achievements in this game, so maybe I could go and 100% this game if I really want to. I'm gonna check something real quick. Let's see here. Achievements. So... Okay. Well, let's get moving. Let's get back on track. was that? I wonder what the big squirrel mode is. I'm just primal urges. Primal urges. Good. That's what we love to see. Yep, per usual. Head back. Nah, dude, I want to explore. I want to explore. I want to see what this game has. I want to see more. I have a gun, and nothing's gonna stop me. Every American ever, basically. Squirrel fact. A male squirrel can smell a female in heat from up to a mile away. Neat? Don't know if that's cool, I guess. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I'm not zoologist or anything. I don't know. Ooh, my Gatorade powder. My Powerade, or whatever energy drink is nowadays. My Prime bottle. Oh boy, my Prime bottle, dude. I love Prime energy drink. It's amazing. Freaking love Prime. Oh, dude, I love Prime. That definitely doesn't ruin your bladder. Oh, it's great. It's so great. Freaking sweet. Well, that's interesting. How you managed to find my way back here. But I need to commit sins. I don't think there's an achievement you have to do commit sins every day, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I forgot where it is. But I don't remember where it is. That's the problem. I don't know where. I forgot where the place is. Where is it? It has to be around here. No. It has to be around here somewhere, right? I'll cut back when I find the place, hopefully. What's this? Squirrel fact. In 2007, 14 squirrels were arrested in Iran. Wow, I didn't hear about this. That's some neat information, some cool lore, you know? Did that actually happen? I'm really curious. What's this? Squirrel fact. Squirrels cannot vomit, burp, vomit, or experience heartburn. I'm jealous. So freaking jealous. God dang. Lucky rats, we call them. Absolute lucky rats. I found something. It looks like, power plant? What is that? Report 2. Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd, regular, recalibrated always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. Looks like maybe an animal's leaving them, but I'm not but I'm noting it's as per my instructions. Come back tomorrow for another report. Okay, similar, because there are like two things going on here. Interesting. So I'm in like the real top part of the place, basically, which is interesting. Can I get in? No, probably not. I can't get in. I could like burst open the door, but that's not gonna work. Okay, well, I guess let's get moving then. I'll see you back in a bit. I don't know what this means. What does this... I have no idea. That's so weird. That is so weird, dude. My god. Alright. Yeah, looks like I found another one. What's this? Squirrel fact. Although squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, they also been known to eat insects, birds, eggs, and even animal carcasses. Okay. Fun fact. Did you know? This looks some Did You Know gaming shit. I don't know. Hey guys, did you know squirrels piss? I know, crazy stuff, right? Crazy stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, did you also know echidnas have... I just realized this. What's that? Squirrel blend. What the hell? Okay, that's interesting. This hurted me last time. Yeah, no idea what that's about. Weird. Weird as shit. I found it! I found it! Yes! Committing sins! Let's go. I found it. I finally found it. Awesome. So it's located up there on the top region of the map. Awesome. That's great. Okay. Alright, now we can finally go back now. Oh, and like actually play through the game. There's an energy drink. What the hell's that doing up there? How do I get up there? Why? And what's that pillar? What the hell? This is so weird. Can I get up here? No, I don't think I can. There's not a good enough slope for me to reach, I think. Oh, wait. Wait. Can I? Oh my god. Can I? Please? Please? This game has physics. Wait. Hold on a minute. Oh my god. Yeah. Awesome. I'm so good at the game. Let's go. I thought I was gonna like die, but thankfully this game has no fall damage, so we're all good. Alright, let's speed back into things. See you back at the shack. Hello, honey. I'm home. I keep thinking I'm going in there, but no, I'm not. How you doing, honey? Hey, guess what? I got you some squirrels. Oh wait, I did not just get one. I got two. Oh wait, no, I have three. Actually, no, make that four. Make that five. Well, honey, see you tomorrow. I look as beautiful as the day I met you. Awesome. Tomorrow is another day, and a new day means more squirrels. Yeah. I'm getting the hang of this. 3 days until God comes. Day 3. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. They're not the normal squirrel tracks. What do you mean? I don't... Oh, something out there is hunting me. Oh, is it a bear? Okay, that's something. So do we have to worry about a bear attacking us? Okay, so just like last time. Okay, I thought someone was talking. So I guess you just have to hunt for the big squirrel and the little squirrels. What the hell is hitting me? What the hell? Some weird stuff going on here in Squirrel Stapler. What was that? Oh, jeez! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, get away from me! Okay. Okay. I'm almost dead. Oh god, I need to heal. Okay, there is actually some danger I need to worry about. Okay. No, what are you doing? Oh. Remember, it's better to stay hidden. Okay. Thanks, game. Oh, that's neat. You can restart the day. Awesome. Alright. Forgot about escape. Escaping, you know? It's all about escape. Okay. Alright, so we actually have some things to worry about. Awesome. Oh my... Was that a ghost squirrel? Okay. So that's what's been hitting me. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Get out. Okay, good, good. Okay. Alright, this is... Oh my god, okay. This... I actually have to take things very quietly if I want to get out of this alive. So I guess I can't just sprint all over the place. Oh my god, that ghost squirrel scared the heck out of me. So I guess now I have to worry about, not only have to worry about bears attacking me, I also have to worry about squirrels. Awesome. Squirrels use chemosynthesis leg and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their front antenna. The lady part free. The newly created half-woman screamed and waffled her clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flooded around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked at the old woman, who examined pennies he gave her unfazed. She caught his gaze, struggling, and said, "I reverse a special spell for those circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. Bonus. What do you mean bonus, squirrel? Squirrels break down their food by a structure called garamil, which is located in their stomach. So we're back here. So report free. There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks, and I heard it all night, moving through the foliage and scattering on the concrete. There are squirrels outside the door with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them requested a call for instructions on how to proceed. Please tell me I got it. No, just a bonus. Well, at least we can commit some sins. Good. Where in the world is that big squirrel? Where's that dang big squirrel? Where is it? I can't find it anywhere. I need Gatorade. These gravestones? I have no idea. I need my Gatorade. Gotta go fast. The bears won't catch me now. The IRS can't catch me. Please tell me that's it. No. What hits me? I don't even know what hit me. Must be the ghost of Christmas past or something. Dude, where in God's name is that goddamn big squirrel? I'm trying to look for it everywhere. I've been in this level for like, I don't know how long. Probably should check the footage. Ooh, what's this? Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it can take a few years to do so. I don't think that's scientifically possible, but hey, who am I to judge? Scientist. It's like some, I don't know, fake website or something. I don't say news, but whatever. You know, I'm like you know, the guy is just saying, guys, I seriously, squirrels, they can regenerate, and we're like, can they? Well, and they're like, can you show us? Well, I don't have a squirrel, so why? Well, it's because, well, I'm not into, like, you know, hunting things, basically, you know? Why? Well, I'm a scientist, okay? That's what scientists do. We don't like, you know, bond with things. We like, examine them structurally, both inside and outside out, basically. You know? Kind of like that. Yeah. So every scientist ever be like, actually quad forms are, like, so overrated. You know? So, like, you know, this part of the body goes to this body, and then this part of the body goes to this body, and then this nucleus goes into this nucleus, and then this part goes into this part. It's great stuff. Oh, I already read that. I don't think that's scientifically possible. Not scientifically impossible, but it's still possible. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Oh! Please tell me, please tell me. I'm looking everywhere for this big squirrel, please. Please. Where is it? It would be easier to hunt, but no. Okay. Fuck! Oh my god, Jesus, man. Bro, you don't have to do me like that. No! Where is it? Where the frick is it? Where the heck is this big ass squirrel? Oh my god. You know, I don't know, man. I'm just looking around, taking the scenery, I guess. Squirrels have urine release values under their eyes and urinate on each other's faces to communicate. Some things that I wish I would have never, ever find out about or researched. And this is one of them. Where is it? Oh, stop, stop. It's not scary. It's not scary. Stop. Oh my god, freaking goddamn ghost squirrels. Ghost a squirrel? Oh my god. Okay, wait for me. Oh, can't wait for me, rat. I don't even know where they are. Where I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Well, got another squirrel, but it's not the one I'm after. Oh, fuck. Bro, screw off. Oh my god. That's not funny, Bob. Oh my god. Did I do it? Oh my god, I got it. Oh my god, I need a heal, I need a heal, I need a heal. Oh my god, it took so long. I don't know how long that took, but we did it. Yes, yes, I can finally get out of here. I can finally leave. Yes, yes, yes. Oh man, what a journey that was. Alright, well, finally, I got the big squirrel. Alright, let's head back home and, you know, deliver the news and give out the groceries, or whatever the heck we do, I guess. I don't know. Honey, I'm home! I'm home, honey. It was a long day, but trust me, that big squirrel, oh my god, it was so annoying, dude. I could not find it for the life of me. Wife? Where's my wife? Where is she? Where's my wife? Wife? Where are you? Oh. Hey, honey. Having some, plates for supper, breakfast, lunch? Well, anyway, here's some, I got some stuff for you, actually. Want some squirrels? Yeah, I got some squirrels. You want another one? No, wait, how about another one? Yeah, okay, you probably like that. No, hold on a minute. How about this one? Okay, is that good? Alright. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Wow, 4 squirrels? Really? Is that it? But don't worry, honey. I got a 5th one. Nice. Wow. Looking beautiful every day, honey. Well, see you tomorrow. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow. Ah, what a beautiful morning, honey. Ah, a new day means new hunting. Let's go. Alright, day 4. Let's go. Okay. Now, probably gonna be like the previous days, so let's do our thing. Just shoot some squirrels, you know. You know, find the, you know, check the news, the letters, you know. Let's do that. Yeah. Squirrel at 9 o'clock. Squirrel at 9 o'clock. Awesome. Absolute cinema right there, guys. I wonder if it's gonna be a movie. Hey, Markiplier, if you're like, I don't know, probably not watching this, but can you like make a Squirrel Stapler movie, please? That'd be very cool. I want to like know like what's that doing. Also, how's the Iron Lung movie doing? Is that doing good? I don't know if it's out yet. Maybe it already is, and I don't know it because I'm stupid and I haven't been keeping up with the movie that much. But you know, with most movie video game tie-ins, they like take forever to come out. So I'm just saying. All right, I got some ideas. How about like I have like an idea of what the Squirrel Stapler movie is gonna be. So the main character, what do you do? Oh, hold on. The main character. Fuck! God dang it! Okay. Shoot. So yeah, the main character, I think, will go after these squirrels, and then he would say, for like his line, he says, "First we hunt, then we squirrel. We squirrel hunt." Something like that. I don't know, something stupid as that, but I don't know. another one! No, 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 no! Suck my dog! Please, no, 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 no! Ow! Ah! What are you looking at? You laughing? It's not funny. I'm so mad. I can't believe that. Can't even aim straight. God dang, I'm so upset. Found a big squirrel and then I got freaking double ganked by like bears. How ominous. Like it just comes up here and tries to jump scare me. That would be a very nice jump scare. Like it just like it just slowly walks up and like it just jumps at you. That would be so funny. That would be a good jump scare. Very funny jump scare, I say. The two of them. No! Fuck off! No! Get away from me! Oh god! Oh my god. Okay, attempt number 3. Let's see how that goes. Bro, like those things like double combo you, you're just dead. You die. You die. Alright. Got him. Let's go. Oh, son of a... Shit! Fuck! God dang it. Oh, you gotta be eating my rear. God dang. Bro, leave me alone. Get a life. They can't get me out of my house. They can't get me in my house. Yeah, that's right. You can't get me. I'm in my house. You can't kill me in my house. What are you gonna do? Kill me? Yeah, that's right, you stupid. Yeah, that's right, you stupid dumb. I need to finish before going back inside. I probably should. That's funny. Okay, that is so funny. I just like make like one step forward and then boom, I'm dead. Awesome. Okay, 1. Let's go. Alright, please don't have a bear jump at me this time. That would be great. I guess, I don't know. Alright, let's read this. The artist lifted the axe, terror streaming down on his face. The half-woman continued to scream and clawed. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and whimpered. He brought it down again, separating her skull into 2 parts, and somehow still screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. Good. Let's get that. Good. Alright, good. Alright. Great. Great stuff. We just need one more. Squirrels are capable of halting you? Okay, let's go up. It's time to go find stuff. Oh my god! What the? Hey! Hey, honey. um... you kind of show it at an appropriate time. Shit! I need a heal. Ghost squirrels. Don't want to get close to those. Vengeful ghost squirrel. Interesting. So that's what they're called. So the ghosts of Christmas past. So the ghosts of Christmas past are coming to kill me. I guess Halloween past or whatever. Squirrels delight in causing pain. Okay, I do not remember any of these sounding like this. There's an ominous foreshadowing for sure. Let's grab this. Alright, back here. Alright, report 4. It's in the walls now, in the concrete, looking for my brain. I can't find it because my brain's inside my skull, but it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brain is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I'll take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I'm setting you cover. You're already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. Well, that's something. Okay. Alright, we just need to find one more. Which I think is just back at the house. So, we're just gonna go back to the house, I guess. Well, then again, we still need to commit sins, though. So, still gotta do that. I'll take that. Alright, that should be it, I guess. I should head back home. Yep, definitely do. It's out here, it is dangerous. But still, I need to commit sins, so we must do it. Before we leave, we must commit sins. There it is. There it is. I found it. Awesome. Alright. Let's head back now. Mission accomplished. Alright, honey. I'm home. I noticed that you were a little, checking in on me a little bit. You know? A little interesting, honestly, you know? I just wonder why you're just out here while I was hunting, you know? It's not safe, you know? Like, I might have, like, shot you in the face. Well, another one. Another one. There you go. I hope you like it. Well, anyway, a good night. Tomorrow, God is coming. Today's the big day, honey. Today's the big day. Today's the day when God is coming. He's coming, dude. I don't know when he's gonna do it, but it's something. Also, is this different? That was fun. And I say unto you, in those final days, the grooves will blend in an agony worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own instrument presentation and godless ascension. So the stapler will become the stapled. So is this like some kind of religion thing? God is coming today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Day 5. Oh, immediately, huh? Alright, let's do it. Man, this is it. The big day. Squirrel factor. More squirrels than you have bullets. And you have made her very angry. Bad feeling. I got a very bad feeling about this. A few notes. Oh, hey, nice. Art will destroy the artist. The Lady Part 5. The artist's ears rang as he turned into the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How could I ever escape what has been done here? What petty spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman exclaimed the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains, but it was poison, and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. Well, that's a fun story. I'm gonna tell that to I'm gonna tell that to people. It's a very funny story. There it is. One final commencing. We done it. Okay, yeah, thanks, dude. We have committed sins yet again. Wasn't easy, but you know what it does. Dang it. Oh, god dang it. Dang nabbit. Oh my god. So stupid, man. I don't even know where it even came from. Oh, you god, eating it. So much damage. Got him. Finally. At last. Good stuff. God is coming. I must be prepared to meet God. What? Oh, okay. Sure. Okay. God is coming, alright, sure. Alright, let's go. Alright. Guess let's go back inside. I don't know. Oh, wow, this is some weird stuff. Alright, I must meet God. Oh, okay, alright, fine, dude. Alright. I guess let's wait. We gotta wait until we meet God. I wonder what he looks like. What does God look like anyway? Look at my gun. Whoa. Looks really cool. Looks really cool, guys. You have no idea. What? What the hell? I don't like this. Awesome. Wow. Well, I guess that's it. That is Squirrel Stapler, I guess. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that surely is a game, I'll say. Huh. And that's not even it, like, we still have way more stuff to do. Like, there's like way more content we still haven't done yet. Still have to get all the achievements, but for now, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoy, okay, well, how do I get out again? Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, me playing this game, basically, you know, something for the Halloween time, basically, so, yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video, sayonara.